Hello friends and welcome to the December predictions that I have. I'm talking about NVIDIA and I have decided to make Tesla predictions. So this is a chart for the month of December. I wish I could have brought this a little bit earlier, but I had some troubles, some technical issues where I live. I had basically no internet for like 2 or 3 days. So basically I just couldn't, guys. I was not able to give you this prediction at least a couple days earlier. Anyways, we have that the first day, which is tomorrow, the 4th of December, could be an impulse, but it's really an alternative circle. We have 4 or 5, and on the 5 is going to be a very volatile day. We have the pattern that repeats every single time where volatility is guaranteed, basically. Now in the next week we have another very volatile Monday. Could be a very powerful day, depends on what the trend ends up prevailing, but we could expect that whatever happens on that day could send ripples, could send reverberations, so to say, over across the rest of the days of the week. For the next days, we have potentially yellow days for 11 or 12. And on the 12th, we could see maybe either a volatility or a range trending slightly upwards. Finally, we could end, if that's the case, on a consecutive green day on the 13th of December. Now the next week opens with a yellow a yellow Monday again on December. So we have a yellow, possibly also trending slightly upwards. After that comes potentially another green circle. We have 18 or 19, and the 19 could be also very volatile, especially also the 20. So we already have 2 consecutive days that could go very volatile. Now, given that this is NVIDIA, and NVIDIA, it's kind of hard to have 2 consecutive volatile days. It could maybe one day of these 2 could be a range, maybe, I don't know. We'll have to see, but you are already under notice that these 2 days, 19 or 20, could bring interesting results. Now, the next week opens with a green Monday, trend is slightly yellowish as well, because this is a range of 3 days, actually only 2 days, because December and Christmas is not officially a market day, so only 2 days possibly of yellow energy. So maybe these days could be actually more relaxed, could be actually just absolute range, because this is Christmas and I don't think it's going to be, the markets are not going to be very volatile before Christmas. But after that comes a possible correction on the 26th or 27th. And finally, the last days we have a very volatile 30, which is Monday, and possibly a correction by 31. So technically this is the last circle of the month. We have a red circle. We already know that near the end of the month we tend to see powerful, very powerful corrections, no matter what circle the color is, whatever. So I think that will be the case on this December. Now I have to say that this chart is not yet finished, in the sense that I have something to add, some modifications that I am experimenting with. So I will update this chart and bring more boxes, more kind of stuff in the coming videos. But this is nothing to be concerned or preoccupied about, guys. So this is just a modification for me to experiment on some things. It's not meant to be an actual part of the chart in that sense. Now that was NVIDIA. Now let's check out Tesla, and we can see that Tesla is okay. So this is the Tesla prediction, and we have very much like NVIDIA, a possible green the next day, the 4th of December. Could also be a very volatile 5th of December. So you already know that these days could bring some possible extreme volatility or range. Could also be a range, but I'm leaning towards volatility on that day, because on the 6th we have a yellow. Now that could be a range. Now for the next week we open with a yellowish 9, which could be trending slightly upwards. But after that comes, I'm afraid, possible scenario where we can see consecutive red days on the 11th or the 12th or even on the 13th of December. So the worst case scenario right here is 3 consecutive red days. Now on the next week we open on the yellow, also kind of relaxed, also kind of maybe volatile. We'll have to see if it's undecided, but it's going to open with yellow circles. Now the next day, which is the 18th, could be a very volatile day. We have this pattern again, a day shared by 2 circles of opposite energies. So we have to see that, and we could end the week also on a yellow, so maybe not that dramatic of a week, only volatility expected for like a couple days at most. Now the next week could potentially be the worst week for Tesla, because we have 23 yellow again, kind of relaxed, maybe a little bit volatile, we have to see. But what comes next could be corrections, 24 or 25, and followed by that either more volatility, which could actually be undecided, where the price goes up one day and the next day goes completely down, erasing all profits. And finally, at least for Tesla, the situation on the final week and the final days of the month is looking a little bit brighter than with NVIDIA. We have potentially 2 consecutive or maybe even 3 consecutive green days, considering the 1st of January. So we have 30, 31, 31 and 1 possible alternative days, but we have them all on the green. So we have potential for Tesla to maybe do some massive volatility on the upside upwards, a massive impulse on these final days. Again, I might or might not update this chart. This really depends on the time. I will definitely update the chart of NVIDIA and bring some new additions, but for this Tesla chart, I might or might not be able to do that because I am just that busy. I am always making new predictions, poor predictions, always kind of stuff. I'm making my own trades, making my money, doing meme coin trading. I mean, it's just crazy, guys, what I do. But yeah, these are the predictions that I have for you this month of December, Tesla and NVIDIA. And as always, guys, this will be updated and covered and analyzed every single week, every single day. I hope I don't have that technical issue problem again, but in any way, I mean, you already have this chart, so you already know that my charts, my accuracy is extreme. I mean, just absolute bullseye tier accuracy. I mean, 90% on average, above 90%. So yeah, that's the quality that I bring to the table. Anyways, guys, just want to remind you all final to subscribe, share and like, give me a share the video, just like the video and comment. Give me your comments, guys, give me your insights, your whatever. So that's all I have for you, and I'll see you later. Take care.